What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, then welcome. My name is Tiara Hogan and I'm the creator of Hello Hogan. Today I'm going to walk you guys through how I define my curls using my favorite go-to products. So let's get into it. Alright you guys, so I start off by spraying my Apogee, Keratin, and Green Tea Reconstructor all over my damp hair. It's great for color treated or even relaxed hair. It's going to add some moisture, some shine, protect your color, and reduce breakage. I love it because it also helps me detangle my hair. So after I spray that, I go ahead and detangle, of course, trying to start from the ends and moving up to the roots. After my hair is detangled, I go ahead and I part my hair into smaller sections. Parting your hair into smaller sections just makes it a lot easier to go through and define your curls, and it helps you pay more attention to the smaller details. So next, I go ahead and I use my Miss Jessie's leave-in condition. Love this, great for moisturizing and sealing in that moisture. I use a pretty generous amount on each section, and I just start off by raking it through my curls. You can see my fingers are just gliding through because that leave-in conditioner has a great slip. Now I use my Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. This is my ultimate #1 favorite product. I'm always recommending this to people who are looking for a new defining gel. It adds moisture even when it dries. My hair feels soft, and it is great for just giving that bounce and that spring to your curls. So I rake a pretty generous amount of the Coily Custard through my curls on top of that leave-in condition. I'm not stingy with that gel now. I add a lot. You can already see with the raking method my curls are coming to life. But just to kind of be a little extra and add some more definition, I go ahead and I'll use the stripling method on a few pieces that I feel could use a little extra help. Now moving to the top section of my hair, I part it off into even smaller sections, and I pretty much just repeat everything that I told you guys. I add a little bit of water, go ahead and add that green tea reconstructor. I kind of work it through. And then I go in with my leave-in, rake it through. And then finally I finish off with my Coily Custard. I start off by raking it, and then I'll finish it out by using the stripling method again. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna jump to the top of my hair. You can see I have finished defining the crown of my head. My curls are popping and juicy, and they're just ready to go. They're ready to go. So if you haven't caught on, I had water, I had my reconstructor, my conditioner, top it off with my Coily Custard. I tend to add the product to the ends of my hair, and then I work it up to the roots. I rake it up. You had to know that was coming. Water is a very important ingredient, you guys. None of these products work as well as they could if your hair is not wet. Trying to do this on dry hair, I don't have any luck personally. The products just dissolve better into wet hair, and you want your hair to be wet because these products are going to lock that moisture into your strands, which ultimately is going to cut back on breakage. Especially if you are natural or color treated, you need all the moisture you can get. So again, I'm just raking it through, using a generous amount of that Coily Custard, and then I'll go back with the stripling method. So I've said this before, in my water, I use jojoba oil and aloe vera juice. Sometimes I'll mix it up. I'll use almond oil sometimes. I'll always use aloe vera juice. It just has so many benefits. I buy a huge bottle of it, but I'll mix up the oils. It's just great for kind of bringing some juice back to your curls, maybe on day 3, spritzing it with that water, and it saves you money. You don't have to buy like a curl refresher. So this is the finished product of my hair while it's wet. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my scarf on over my edges so they can kind of flatten out. And I'm going to let it air dry and go to bed. All right, next morning I'm gonna lay these edges. Typically I don't lay the edges, but I had somewhere special to be, so I went ahead and did that. I use Eben New York's Edge Tamer. It's a new product I've been using, but I actually really like it. After I'm done with my edges, I spray my hair with Dark & Lovely's All Natural Sheen Nectar Sealing Spray. This adds extra moisture, shine. It just makes my hair feel soft. It gets rid of that crunch, and it smells good. And then the cherry on top is time for me to pick my hair out. I love volume. With my hair the length it is, it's kind of that annoying length where it's actually not really as short as it looks, but it's not as long as you want it to be. So picking it out gives me that volume and that length that I really like. And I'm done. I'm ready to hit the town. I'm ready to just live. Yes. Yes. All right, you guys, so that is how I define my curls using my favorite go-to products. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below. And if you liked this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I release videos every Sunday, so you can definitely stay up to date with that. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's hello_Hogan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.